Meaning of inconceivable.
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 Inconceivable. The word inconceivable means something that is impossible to imagine or understand, often due to its extreme nature or complexity. It suggests that a given concept or idea is beyond the limits of human comprehension or within the realm of the impossible. The term is often used to emphasize the magnitude or extremity of a situation or event. For example, the idea of a world without gravity or a person being able to teleport themselves across the globe is inconceivable to most people due to their disbelief in its plausibility or feasibility.